what vehicle was it? A RAV?
09 RAV4.
All right. Awesome.
Use discount code JACOBVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
I appreciate it. What's your name?
Lucas.
Lucas, Jacob. Nice to meet you, man. Could you give me a rundown real quick what all's in here?
It's two American Bass HDs, Scar RP 3500. It's got a full 300 amp alternator, big 3, the whole 9 yards. Damn, blowing something up over there.
Yep.
D6 components in the front, PR V250s in the back, as far as highs go. And it's 09
Awesome.
RAV4.
Yes, sir. Okay. Did you build the box?
Yeah.
Okay. So what are the specs, tuning wise?
Yeah, it's a 4th order. It's ported sides, 9 cube, 1.5 in each chamber for the sealed. So it's like 3 cube on the sealed side.
Okay. Yep. Awesome. Have you metered it?
It's a 146.8. I need more
That's
power.
good.
But it's only 1,800 watts.
Yeah, that's good.
Order.
Oh man, awesome.
So it's about to get a 7,500.
Okay. Sweet. Can I see the back real quick? All right. Appreciate the demo. Teammate loud.
Yep.
There we go. That's a good little compartment. You got everything underneath
Yeah.
to get to. Carpeted. What is the amp wired to?
1 ohm. So it's probably getting between 3.5 and 4 ohms.
And what vehicle was it? A RAV?
09 RAV4.
All right, awesome. Nice to meet you, man. Appreciate the demo.
Appreciate it, man. Wait, beach, iceberg, ice tray, plug call, try to front, I don't need it, I get strong, nigga strong, get freeze, yawn.
Awesome, dude.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.